Welcome to our tutorial on how to change the font size in Windows 10. Adjusting the font size can greatly enhance readability and make your screen more comfortable to use. In this video, we will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Step 2. Then pick Ease of Access. Step 3. From the left menu, select Display under the title Vision. Step 4. Under. Make text bigger. Drag the slider until the sample text is as big as you want it to be. Step 5. Press Apply to save the changes. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the font size in Windows 10. By customizing the font size, you can make text on your screen easier to read and reduce eye strain. Whether you prefer larger text for better visibility or smaller text for more content on the screen, Windows 10 allows you to easily adjust the font size to suit your needs. Remember, finding the right font size for your device and preferences may require some experimentation. Play around with different options until you find the one that works best for you. And there you have it. You now know how to change the font size in Windows 10. By following these simple steps, you can customize your screen to make it more comfortable and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.